Hello, I'm Shreyal Kuye. Today is 15th August, Independence Day of India. So first of all, a very happy Independence Day to all of you. We all celebrate this Independence Day, but how many of us know the real meaning of independence, know the real meaning of freedom? We came in free and independent country. That's why we don't know the real meaning of freedom. It's not that we don't know about freedom. Yes, we do, but not as much as freedom fighters did. They wanted this freedom and independence. So that's why they gave their life to give freedom to all of us. They were actually knowing the meaning of being controlled by somebody else. So let us know the real meaning of freedom, the real meaning of independence, and celebrate this Independence Day and give respect to all the freedom fighters who did everything for our freedom. They are the only reason because of whom we are living today in free India. Yes, free India. So what is the real meaning of independence? It means freedom for choices, freedom to do what you like, freedom for dreaming, freedom to fight for your dreams, freedom to achieve your goals, freedom to choose people with whom you have to live or work with, freedom to do right as well as wrong things, freedom to separate ourselves from the personal ideologies and intellectually challenge ourselves to see the full scope of an issue in order to find the real solution for the good of the whole. I will define two stages for being independent. Stage 1. Free your mind from the conventional ways of living. Live your life to the fullest. Stage 2. Do work that you love and supports your ideology. Don't think about people, what they will think. Your definition of freedom is totally unique to you. Being independent means being free of choices. How free are we is dependent on us, not on others. How happy are we is dependent on fully us and not about anybody else. You do have the right to choose your freedom. If liberty has any meaning, it means freedom to improve, freedom to live happily, freedom to live our dreams. This is the real meaning of independence. This is the real meaning of freedom. You should celebrate Independence Day every single day. Lastly, hats off to all the soldiers and jawans who are day and night working for us, standing there on the borders, sacrificing their luxuries for us. Because of them, we are feeling safe. So thank you, Indian Army, Police Department. Because of you, we can feel safe and we can sleep without fear. Because of you all, we proudly say we are independent and we celebrate our Independence Day happily. Thank you.